Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you on how to improve your eyesight with active look techniques. Active look is very important for eyesight improvement because it increases blood flow in our eyes, regeneration and vision recovery process. More nutrients can digest much better in our eyes if you will increase visual activity. Plus eye muscle will start to work better and it can help to get rid of eye muscle spasm. First technique, actively look around while walking without straining your eyes or squinting. But try to relax your eyes as much as possible so that the body tries to refocus to a long distance. This is great for myopia treatment. It is advisable to take off your glasses while doing this. Second, try to search for different colors. For example, look around and find all the red objects in the room. Or when you walk by the streets, try to see all the red cars or red buildings. You can choose any other color and focus on it. It increases visual activity and also improves your brain work. Third, observation of various objects, such as a round shape, for example. Just look around and try to find more round objects, like a ball, for example. Or you can choose any other shape which you like more. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.